Hey everybody, this is Jeff. Just wanted to give you guys an update. This is not a cooking video today, but just wanted to show you guys what I ended up picking up from Masterbuilt. Ended up getting another set of racks to go in, and on their website they say this will take you from 560 inches to a total of 800 square inches. So they say another rack will add roughly 240 square inches in. I haven't measured that myself, but that's what's listed on the website. Just wanted to show you from a height standpoint. You're looking at about 4 inches clearance there. Second rack, you're looking at 4 inches clearance, and on the top rack you're looking at about 5 inches clearance. So just wanted to show you guys that in case anybody was considering that option and maybe getting another set of racks. The other thing I had was I just wanted to pose a question and see if anybody was running into this issue. I use the foil like a lot of folks on YouTube recommend, going around the gasket, but wanted to see if anybody had that soot flaking or whatever this may be inside their charcoal box. It's not really bad around the lip of mine, but just wanted to see if anybody else had that down inside their box. But let me know in the comments, and let me know if there's anything you guys want to see as far as the cook goes. I'm gonna definitely get a load up on some ribs and wings and whatnot, and see how much I can get on here as far as capacity goes with those 3 racks, and let you know how it cooks and how even it cooks, and if there's any big difference with time or anything of that nature. But that's all I got for today. You guys take care. Be safe.